Hi folks, so today I have some frustration with technology, and as always I like to use AI to help me with nearly every task that a wellness entrepreneur or health coach like us can have in their business and in their private life. And that's exactly why we prompted the Easy AI system, which is the only AI system and platform on the market that is not only non-profit but is designed specifically for you and me as wellness entrepreneurs. So what do I do when I'm frustrated? So I want to turn it today into gratitude. The other day I showed you how to use a mindset shifter coach, and you will also find that on our YouTube channel. But today I want to show you the gratitude generator. And I already used it, and because it saves us time, it does only take 20 seconds. But honestly, if it's screen recording or you're on Zoom while you're using it, it takes a little bit longer. So that's the reason why when we work with clients directly, we usually give them or offer them a spin-off version of the app. And for $17 a month, what can you get for that is an AI. It's cheaper than the premium version of ChatGPT, and it has unlimited images and so on in it. So why not go with us? I recommend it. The link will be underneath the video, and you can upgrade to the full version with all 125 useful apps that help you build your business, market your business, and create content as much as you want, and the images are next to none. Just have a look. Now, let's go back. I wanted to be grateful for something I was absolutely not grateful when I started. Frustrated with a technology app that doesn't do what I want. It wasn't this one, it was a video clipping app. Now I won't name names because I'm not always frustrated with it app, but today I was. The number two thing, I got bad news financially today. So I will not go into the details, that's for videos, but I definitely did, and I hated every moment of it. The third thing, I had a fight with my husband. Now today I actually didn't, but sometimes I do, and I absolutely don't feel grateful in the moment, so I would like to turn it around. So how can this app help you do it? So it tells you how to be grateful for something if you can't see how to actually do it. And you can see how with clients especially that will work perfectly, but also for your own life. I'm grateful for the patience and problem solving skills that I'm building through my frustration with a technology app that isn't doing what I am. So it really reframes your thought process and tells you, hey, yeah, you're frustrated, and it doesn't negate it. You should be frustrated. It doesn't tell you not to be frustrated. That doesn't help. We know that. It uses behavioral science. It's built in. It uses havening techniques. It's built in, and there's lots of free instructions how to do self-havening to reduce stress. For more serious practice, you want to work with havening practitioners or become a havening practitioner. We have two very skilled trainers actually in our free 5D wellness online community. Just ask and I'll send you to them if you're interested to become and learn that technique. It's one of the best to resolve trauma and resolve stress fast. I created the instant calm formula with a combination of deep breathing. Now everybody knows a deep breath can help, and havening techniques, and together created a program. Again, ask me for the link that you can access through our community that helps you to turn calm in an instant, as the name said. Well, you have to practice for about 3 weeks, and then you are actually able to do it. Just one thing, one breath, one trigger, and you feel instant. You can learn it, snap with the finger or deep breath. Nobody will know what you're doing, and suddenly from upset to calm in less than a second when you have enough experience. I can do that anytime. That's why people are always asking me, how come you never seem to be upset? Well, of course I get upset, but I'm calm in 1 second, so you don't notice, right? That's how it works. So that's how you create the sparkle. That's part of what I do in our depression recovery program, from sad to sparkle. Yeah, it takes a while depending on what you do, but it works. That's that. Now, I'm grateful for the clarity and motivation to plan wisely that came from receiving bad financial news today. Okay, clarity. Yeah, I finally know what doesn't work. That's kind of a form of clarity. It's better than the other way around, right? At least I know now what not to do, which is helpful. And the motivation to plan wisely so it doesn't happen again. Well, yeah, when something goes wrong, it not only tells us exactly what doesn't work, but it also can help us to plan better next time and do better next time. And that's really what life and personal growth is all about, isn't it? So I'm grateful for the opportunity to communicate more openly and strengthen my relationship after having a fight with my husband. So this again turns it around. Instead of saying, I have a bad husband, I should divorce him, he's the worst man. Well, I married for him for 27 years. He supported me when I was going through really bad things. He has forgiven me several times for mistakes I have made. So who am I to judge him? So my choice, and it is a choice, you always have a choice. You can of course say, well, I only know that guy for a week and he's a jerk, so I leave him, and that may make sense in this case. But I'm married for my husband for 27 years. So yes, I want to turn it into an opportunity for better communication. Let's see if AI can help me with that. So here it helps you to add exact moment details, turn the challenge, and feel free to read that in peace. It tells you actually that how you can be grateful for everything. I'm grateful that our argument showed me how much I value feeling heard, which led us to agree on a weekly check-in. Now, we didn't agree on that yet, but we actually do it, but we would. That would be an option. Name the emotions. Let's again, here's a template. It gives you a template for next time. And the husband might say, I feel hurt. I could say to the husband, I felt hurt and hopeful during our fight. I'm grateful because it highlighted my need for respect, which helps me communicate boundaries. Now, this is not necessary. I don't have to say it to my husband, but even if I say it to myself, can you see how that can help me? Now, I still say if you serious mental health problems, serious health problems, always work with a professional. But it's just something little or ongoing and you do have support. This can help you reframe it faster. Now, number 3, link each gratitude to a small time-bound action that reinforces the lessons, because life is about lessons, right? We want to learn something and it creates momentum. What does it say when it comes to the husband? And you can look at all the others. Because I'm grateful for this taught me, I'll initiate a 10-minute repair conversation after dinner and express one specific appreciation. Wow, this is specific. This is something I can do. Now, for example, we live in Nova Scotia. It's snowy. We have a foot of snow. My dear husband not only removed our snow, but helped all our neighbors with it. And most of them can't afford paying him. So if they can't, he does it just because. He's just a good guy. So I definitely need to talk to him, and I will appreciate it. I do appreciate how you are so kind to me and how you look after the house so perfectly all the time. And then I can talk with him. When what happened this morning, I really feel bad about it. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. And I was able to repair mine, because when we fight, it always bothers me. What can we do to help that? Do you have any ideas? And maybe he'll come up with an idea to help. And on top of all the goodness, it also will give you a beautiful image. Now, I like that. It's beautiful. It shows two hands reaching out to each other with sunshine and flowers and a path to the sun, right? It's a pathway to the sun. We all need to see the sun and go towards the light, towards bettering ourselves, towards helping others to better themselves without losing boundaries. So there's a whole host of goodness in just this one little interaction with the gratitude generator. Now, if you like what you're seeing and you would like to know more about it, you have two choices. You can join our free 5D Wellness online community. The link is underneath the video. And I'll also put the link underneath so you can get the gratitude generation radar as part of the non-profit Easy AI system, if that's what you would like, and try it for a week for free. The link is underneath the video too. I would love to hear more from you, and if you like this channel, please feel free to subscribe like this video, comment on this video so we know that you liked it and why, what stood out to you. And please also subscribe to the channel so you get notified when we do more of these videos, because we have good stuff here on this channel. Look around, check out all the playlists, and I think you won't regret it. Take care. Bye bye.